Say hi, Tech Crew.
Hi, Tech Crew.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to the Star Room. I'm Phil, and today we're talking more about transportation. That means getting from A to B. Let's get on track with a great book called Freight Train by Donald Cruz. This is a very cool book because it talks about trains, but it also talks about colors and the work that trains do. When you're done, a big person with you is going to ask you the 4 questions. They'll ask you question number 1, what is the name or title of the book? They'll ask you question number 2, who are the characters inside the book? It's a trick question. They'll ask you question number 3, what happens? And they'll ask you question number 4, did you like it? So let's start. The name or title of the book is Freight Train, and the book starts now. A train runs across this track. Red caboose on the back, orange tank car next, yellow hopper car. Green cattle car, blue gondola car, purple box car. A black tender, and a black steam engine. Freight train. Moving. Going through tunnels. Going by cities. Crossing trestles. Moving in darkness. Moving in daylight. Going, gone. The end. Check out the cool video I'm sending you to go with this, and we'll see you next time in the Star Room.